Whew. Ugh. Okay, so right now I think I gotta go. I gotta move the tarp and then move the ladder. So that's what we're doing now. Okay, before I start cutting, I just want to know how big of an area I'm gonna cut. I already marked it, but like, so from there to, I could just do 2 feet. I could probably do 2 feet. I got like these patches, like you get these like drywall sheets, and they come in, they're like 2 feet, so. Alright, before I start carving this thing up like a turkey, I'm gonna, I should move this over a little bit more. But, so before I start carving in, I should grab myself a cherry soda. Alright, so I got cherry soda here. They call this one Culture Pop soda. I guess it's vegan, and it's like, you know, as I always expect there to be meat or animal products in my cherry soda, but this time, this one doesn't. So it's fizzy and gutsy. Dude, I'm probably gonna be crapping my pants after this. Oh, it's made in Cambridge, Massachusetts. It says it right there on the, somewhere over here. I'm afraid of dropping this. Let's take a look at this baby. It's lighter than I was anticipating. Oh, I don't want to drop this. Alright, here we go. Oh, it tastes awful. Oh, this is so bad. It just tastes like, less than seltzer water, like a little bit sour seltzer water. It's like, what am I drinking? If anyone wanted to know, this is a very low tier cherry soda. This doesn't, it's kind of awful. This is bad. It's not offensive like maybe a Poppy or something. Like that Poppy root beer was offensive. This is just kind of like, it just tastes like a seltzer water kind of. With a tiny bit of sour to it. Very low sugar. Well, this won't give me the power to do this, but I'm going to do it anyways. I'll just say it's a probiotics. Fizzy, juicy, blah, 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 blah. I'll finish it, but this is going to be D tier. I bet you the other probiotic sodas are not better. This isn't offensive, it's just bad. It's like a watered down sour cherry flavor. It's not that great. It's like super hot up there. I mean, it's super cold. I gotta close this up, dude. You ready?